For kids, money really does grows on trees. They believe in Santa Claus, monster under the bed, and the invincibility of Superman and Barbie. The line between fantasy and reality is not the same at the best for most children. Magical thinking is a way of life for kids. Therefore, trying to teach them concrete rational skills like money management and investing can be a real challenge. They simply can't grasp many of the personal finance concepts we want them to learn unless we adapt the lesson to fit their magical thinking world. Financial education is very simple. You can start this by providing a piggy bank to your child. As they grow older, around 10 to 12 years of age, parents should start with the basic interaction of educating on saving, planning and investment. This learning can help them to deposit coin or cash. Gradually, they will be habituated with saving and goals. In the present digital scenario, it is important to teach children how digital money works. They are fast learner, sharp, tech savvy and observant. They pick up habit even faster than we can imagine. A small portion of pocket money can be deposited straight into their bank account and guardian can monitor that. First, educate them how money can be deposited into a bank account which can be accessed online or with a card. Lure them to put some money in bank. They can buy something next year with interest with the amount remaining untouched. Beyond the age of 15, parent can also introduce the kids to the concept of money through games, which are also fun and engaging way of learning about monetary basics. The virtual lessons, activities and resource management, strategic thinking, saving and spending may provide thrill to the road to the basic financial skill. Then comes budgeting and spending wisely. The development of personal finance hinges on budgeting. This can be done involving them in your weekly grocery shopping task and creating budgets. Parents should also introduce the value of giving and teach the kid about the contentment. They can pick a charity or even someone they know who needs a little help. Eventually, they will see how giving doesn't affect just the people they give to, but the giver as well. Educating kids about the finances is a process that can take time, but if we put the effort and continuously communicate a clear message about money, we will instill a good habit that will serve children well. Start today these simple monetary habits and we could prepare children for future. We should stress that saving is not an option but essential. Even if children decide to save rupees 100 a month, the child doesn't have to save a large portion of their money. Birthday and festival gift of money or allowances should be examined and a portion allocated for saving. Start a systematic investment plan in minor name and show how the value of investment changes over a long period of time. Pick a well-rated mutual fund portfolio and point out which company they identify and explain them how equity is about owning part of these businesses. Most schools do not teach money management, even though it's a critical life skill. Since formal training of this subject is not readily available, at least at the school level, the best way is to learn is to start investing. Just like riding a bicycle, books cannot teach you how to invest if we do not fall. We'll never learn. सोचना बंद कीजिए और आज ही माइनर के नाम में SIP शुरू करें.